Morning, guys. So yeah, we are back down at this wondrous little hole. We're gonna see if we can get some speckies again this morning. It's absolutely beautiful this morning. So without any further ado, guys, let's get our line in the water, see if we can get some speckies. Alrighty, guys, so we got the good old Panther Martin inline spinner again. Apologize if the audio is not the greatest. It's very loud down here, just like it was the other day. And we're gonna see what we can get. Let's see if there's anything sitting in this pool today. There we go. Hate those bad casts, but unfortunately they happen, right? To the best of us. Hoping there's some nice speckies just sitting in here, but so far, nada. Didn't really catch much out of here yesterday either, out of this pool, just one tiny one. Had to work farther down to get the other ones. Okay, guys, finally got a little brookie. Wet my hand. Get this little gem over here, barely hooked. That's awesome. Because this guy's going back right after I get a pick. This early morning brook trout. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And for the release, there he goes. Back into the current. Absolutely beautiful. Like nothing ever even happened to it. Love it. Unfortunately, I didn't get that. It's been kind of slow morning. But I just came down here and I just put my spinner into that pool there. And he came out and hit it. Right out of this pool right here. So can't really ask for a better situation than that. That worked out perfect. Worked out absolutely perfect. Alrighty, to the next pool. Alrighty, guys, we're at the next little bit of a pool here. Let's see if there's anything sitting in this. I definitely think there would be. For the last couple of days there hasn't been, so we'll try. Gonna try to run a jump in this again. That didn't really work out how I wanted it to, but it was pretty quick, so I didn't get too wet. Thank God. The stuff you do for specky fishing, I tell you. Stuff you gotta do. But it's so worth it. So worth it in the end. Go guys, another little brookie. Another little brookie for today. Wipe my hands. Beautiful. Perfect hook set. Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful. Get a pick. Another beautiful specky, guys. It's been a slow morning, but at least we're getting them. Okay. There he goes. He's Gandhi. That's awesome, guys. Absolutely love that. Fish on, boys and girls. Fish on. That little specky came to another spot. Another little spot where there's speckies, and sure enough, we got one. Well, guys, haven't really gotten any more down here, just that one. I thought I was gonna have to keep it, but I was able to get the hook out pretty good. There's a little bit of blood, but it wasn't, with those pliers I was able to save him, so thank God. But yeah, I released him. I thought the camera was on, but I guess I shut it off instead of turning it on. That's okay though. I'm gonna keep trying here for a bit. Then I'm gonna wrap her up and head home, guys.